Hi, everyone. This week in content, we will be reading out of our yellow social studies book in chapter 1, all about where in the world is our community. All right. Picture yourself as an astronaut on a NASA space shuttle. If you looked at the planet Earth from space, what would you see? Clouds, land, water? What would you need to know to find your landing site on Earth? To answer these questions, you need to know some geography. Geography is the study of Earth, its land, water, air, and people. In this chapter, you will learn about some geography terms such as hemispheres, continents, countries, and states. These terms will help you use maps to find any place on Earth. Our community is our planet. Remember that you are an astronaut in space. Earth looks big outside your window. How would you describe the shape of Earth? What else has this shape? A ball? Another word for an object with this shape is sphere. You could cut a sphere in half. You get two hemispheres. Hemisphere means half of a sphere. Imagine a line around the middle of Earth, like a belt that goes around your waist. There is a line like this on maps of Earth. We call it the equator. It divides Earth into the northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. You can also divide a sphere from top to bottom. Imagine that a line starts at the top of Earth and runs down the side of Earth to the bottom. There is a special line like this on maps of Earth. It passes through the city of Greenwich in England. We call this line the prime meridian. It divides Earth into the western hemisphere and the eastern hemisphere. Look at the maps on this page. Find the equator and the prime meridian. How many hemispheres do you see? So here's the equator. So this is the northern hemisphere. This would be the southern hemisphere. Here's the prime meridian. So the western hemisphere and the eastern hemisphere. All right, that is all that we will read for today. And on Canvas, you will have some words and their definitions to match. So you need to read those words and read the definitions and then carefully match them to each other.